welcome to JamesSpot Tutorials. Today we will be covering the administration tools for your JamesSpot platform. The tools we are discussing today are only available for platform administrators. To access these tools, click the arrow next to your profile picture and select Administration. You should see a page with a few rectangles that all lead to different functions. The first tool we will cover is Platform. On the starting page of the Platform tool, you will find input fields where you can add or change the basic information regarding your platform, like the project name, language, and logo, which you can change at any time. You can also customize the colors of your platform to fit your company's theme and branding. The last thing you will find on this page is the ability to create a default welcome post for all your new users to see when they join. In the Mobile Settings tab, you can customize the Mobile Publish button settings to allow users to publish certain content types from their devices, as well as see statistics, adjust app configurations, and view your mobile users. The next thing you can customize is the Access mode. You can make it so your platform is accessible by invitation only. There are other options, but that is just one example. You can also modify the access level for newcomers. Other things this tab allows you to customize is the login page by allowing you to add a title and a description. As an admin, you can change the layout of your platform by managing the pages available. There is a tab where you can require your users to agree to terms and conditions of your platform. The platform comes with a base set of terms and conditions, but these are customizable. Another thing you can customize is your GDPR settings. Here you can create custom links based on certain instances. In the Platform's Mail tab, you can customize email settings for all employees. For example, you can send out a weekly email, customize the kind of email notifications sent out, see all scheduled emails, see all emails sent from your platform, see any emails that had any issues, create a welcome message, deny emails, create a custom email template, and select which email platform you want to use. The Users tool is where you can see all of the users on your platform. You can modify information for a given individual, perform actions in bulk, and more. You can also go into the User Fields tab and modify the information your site collects from the users, such as time zone, what information they can edit, what information other users have access to, and create custom fields if your organization needs that. There are some specific profile settings you can change, like to activate or deactivate profiles on register forms. You can also track any login errors on your platform. In the Advanced tab, there are more settings like the ban list, which has banned users, and the moderation list to control who has access to your platform. The next setting is the group setting. You can perform bulk actions here just like with the users, modify or add information about a group, and more. You can manage the categories of groups and have them be displayed. The filters are helpful for organizing the groups so they are easier to find. The Contents tool is where you can see everything posted to your platform. It will show you the breakdown of content types, the name of the file, and when it was created. Here you can see all the comments made on your platform in the Comments tab. Users can create content in advance that will go up at a later point. The Scheduled Content tab shows you all the posts that users have created to be posted at a later date. The Files tab will show you all the files uploaded to your platform, how large they are, and when they were created. Next, we will cover the Applications tab. Here you will see all the apps you have downloaded and their settings, as well as what other apps are available for you to download. For further assistance regarding what apps would be right for your company, please reach out to members of our team. Moving on, the Indicators tab is where you can see statistics and general engagement of your website. There are lots of different categories of data collected, so you can look through your global activity, social activity, and downloading. Towards the end, we have the Advanced tool, which is where you can see general and specific usage settings on your platform, like under Activity Settings, you can set a certain number of posts to be displayed on the wall. There are other settings like Alerts and Resources, and much more. All the rest of their tabs have their own niche settings for you to look into depending on what exactly you want your users to be able to do. The Groups tab has its own set of advanced settings to be adjusted to your company's needs. The Users tab in Advanced allows you to enable certain features for all users. For example, I can turn on Focus Mode, which would modify the interactions the user has while the mode is engaged. The last thing to cover is Developer, but you don't really need to change those settings. That's all we have for you today. We hope this was helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to use your JamesSpot platform. See you next time!